Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, how to use OptiFuel Fuel Saver OBD2 chip. So, you might be wondering what is OptiFuel that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, OptiFuel here is an OBD2 fuel saving device designed to be plugged into a vehicle to optimize fuel efficiency and engine performance. Now, according to the official website here, it is compatible with most vehicles manufactured after 1996. Now, that's according to their website, including vehicles with keyless ignition. The company claims it can improve fuel efficiency and increase engine power and torque by 35%. Now, remember, these are claims that they have stated here in their website. Now, how to exactly use OptiFuel here? Now, the manufacturer here describes installation as simple, and according to them, it takes around 10 minutes for you to do the whole installation here with no tools required. Now, the device here is plugged into the vehicle's OBD2 port here, where it can remain discreetly installed. Once installed, the website says you can continue driving normally without changing your driving habits here. Now, according to the website here, OptiFuel here begins optimizing the vehicle as you drive and says that you may start noticing improvements within the first 150 miles. The manufacturer here states that the individual results may vary depending on the vehicle and driving habits, while claiming savings of up to 35% in fuel consumption. Now, the site currently advertises up to 60% and a 60% off and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, in simpler terms here, OptiFuel here is a plug-and-play OBD2 device that the manufacturer here says is designed to optimize fuel efficiency and engine performance without requiring changes to your normal driving habits. So that's basically what OptiFuel here and how you exactly use it. As you can see right now, they do even include some form of illustrations here in their website. Now, in this case, since this is a device that is connected directly to your vehicle's electronics, checking your vehicle's compatibility and the manufacturer installation instructions here is actually recommended before use. Now, doing your own research on the product specification and also checking reviews in and outside the website is highly recommended, just to make sure that you are getting the most out of your money. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.